Okay, I'm back in the kitchen. I took the touch control mechanism out of the metal rescue solution and poured the metal rescue back into a container. I can use it for at least up to a year. Interesting, on my last post, metal rescue folks chimed in and says, hey, got any questions about our product, give us a call. I don't mean to be a shameless advertisement for these folks, but it is a great product. I mean, it took off all the rust off these bolts, actually removed some of the paint, and look at this. Smooth as silk, and I couldn't be more delighted. Regarding the stops, I was able to find a source, JP Salvage. I talked to them today. They've got some on hand, and they're going to ship them to me for $10 a piece plus handling and whatnot. They normally go for 15 to 20 bucks, so I was delighted to get them at 10 bucks a piece. Maybe this weekend I'll be able to reinstall this thing. I would like to work on getting the rest of the paint off. I got some paint remover I can use to do that. So that's all for now. Good day.